Hi everyone, my name is Nadia. I'm a second year Management with Marketing student studying at Royal Holloway University of London. And to help you prepare for life at university, I'm going to give you some tips on cooking. And do check out my cookery video where I make an easy vegetarian chili con carne. The first topic we'll look at is how to use the microwave safely. If you get placed in a halls of residence which doesn't have the best equipment or your flatmates are using the hob and oven, make the best of the microwave. While there's loads of rubbishy, unhealthy microwave meals that won't do you much good, supermarkets will have plenty of healthy options, so do have a look at the shelves. But you can also cook items of food in the microwave that you may not have thought of. Scrambled egg is easy, as is pasta and rice. The only extra you tend to need is some cling film. Don't use metal dishes and avoid using plastic containers. A strong ceramic or microwave-safe glass bowl, like Pyrex, is usually best. And don't burn your mouth. Things will get super hot pretty quickly. Have a look at some microwave recipes in the link below. Next up, batch cooking. Instead of spending all your time preparing and cooking every fantastic dish you eat, why not increase the quantity and make multiple portions of the same meal? Most foods will be fine for a day or two in the fridge and then reheated, and plenty of meals can be frozen. Don't reheat more than once, and make sure you reheat well, whether using a microwave, oven or hob. Also, the food needs to be piping hot throughout. By batch cooking, you save plenty of time. You can use your time to study or socializing, basically up to you. And it also tends to save you money as well. Click on the link below for some big batch recipe ideas. And lastly, herbs and spices. Getting to know your paprika from your parsley will help you with making really tasty meals. Even the blandest of food, I'm thinking like chicken, potatoes, and rice, can be made to taste amazing if you add the right herbs and spices. My 5 must-haves would be smoked paprika, cumin, coriander, basil, and rosemary. By reading recipes and experimenting, you'll soon come to understand which ones to use with what foods. And while some things sound a bit weird, like star anise, or downright disgusting like fish sauce, you'll be surprised at how they'll make certain dishes taste incredible. Have a look at a little bit of advice by clicking on the link below. Oh, and a quick note, when you see cilantro, just read as coriander.